How's it going, guys? Welcome back. You're tuning in once again to the BDT channel. As you can tell, A3's on the dyno, ready to throw down. It's full E85, the moment I've been waiting for. Should you do zero modifications and just go straight E85, my favorite route, or you got to get your hands dirty and throw on all those cool parts to make all those power? Well, we're about to find out. So stay tuned. We're going to hit the dyno. Well, guys, are you not impressed with that? E85 is the way to go. As you can tell, 350 wheel torque. What was it, 310 horsepower? Those are substantial gains. It's coming at 110 horsepower and 110 torque. I mean, gosh dang, that's night and day. Well, don't let me talk it up. Let me show you some quarter mile times because I'm about to have some fun tonight. That's all she got right there, all right. That's all she's got, boys. Ooh, we're gonna get those brakes real hot here in a sec. Ooh! Oh yeah, those brakes do not like that. Ouchie. Ouch to the brakes. Well, there's the second one. 0 to 60 foot was good. I think it's because I short shifted, honestly. I just wanted to short shift. Which might have took that 0-2, but whatever. A little bit of slope at the end there, not too bad. Finished at 112, still moving pretty quick here. Not bad. Comment down below, tell me what you guys think. Should we stay E85 Stage 1 or should we move on to Stage 2? And like always, guys, stay BDT tuned.